Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Does your cat sleep with you, too? Find out why this is really useful. Often we sleep with cats without even realizing how useful it is for us. That's why we will tell you how the hugs with the seals and the sleep with these animals affect your body. 1. The heart will be healthy. Scientists have proved that purring cats can calm a person, avoid stress, which directly affects the work of the heart. 2. Sleep will improve. It is known that cats are able to lull people because their purring calms, that is the main reason for a good sleep. 3. Protect from allergies. It is proved that people who have cats in the house are more protected from allergies. 4. You will appear smarter. On average, it becomes clear that the owners of cats have a higher level of education. 5. A cat can save your life and improve your health. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.